everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys what inserts we will be getting this Sunday. Looks like we will be getting 2 inserts, one Retail Me Not and one Smart Source. The website that I am using today is SundayCouponinserts.com. They always have a list of what is coming out. Now, please keep in mind every insert is different for everybody else. I always say the more you coupon, the more you'll kind of know what's in your local inserts. So, just giving you guys a heads up with that, but let's start working. So here we got some all products. Advil $2 all, we got $1. Degree $2, $1.50. More degree. Dial foaming hand pumps, $1 off of 2. We got a dial off of body wash, $1 off of 2. M&M's, $1 off of 2. Mars pet food. Okay, that must be Target. Nexium, number 7. We got Right Guard, $1. Sports Cough, 3 off of 1. Sports Cough hair color, $7 off of 2. Snuggle, $1 off any 2. Thermacare, $3 off. Tresemme, $5 off of 2, $4 off of 2, and then Triaminic, $1. So that's what's in the Retail Me Not. And then here's what is in the Smart Source. We got Alka-Seltzer, $1, $2 off. Aquaphor, $2 off. Bic Soleil, $3. Now, I know my area never gets Bic coupons, so that's something I know for sure I will not get, but every region is different. We got Chobani, $1 off any 2. Citrusel, Claritin. Colgate, we got $1. Colgate mouthwash, $1. Colgate toothpaste, $1. We got Eucerin, $3 off. Some chocolates, $1. Finish Jet Dry, $1. Another $1. Halls, we're getting $1.25 off of 2. Lysol, 50 cents, and then probably $1.50 off. McCafe coffee, $1. Nivea, $2. Nivea Rachel Ray. Renews It, it's not Renews It, it's Renew Eyes, $4 off 1, and then $2 off the drops. We got Rimmel Eye, $1 off, and $1 off lip or face. Like I said, I rarely ever get those coupons, so that's how I kind of know what I'm going to get. Tena products is 5 off of any 2. Theratears, Tylenol. So it's not the greatest inserts, but it's up to you guys what you guys want to do. Just wanted to share with you guys so you guys kind of have an idea of what is coming out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.